putting on the Extreme Power Stop kit, brake pads, and so nice bad boys. They come with the clips, they come with the pads, they come with the little rubber gasket things here for the bolts, and also slotted and drilled rotors. So we're gonna slap that sucker on here. I was getting a little bit of wobble when I was braking under heavy load, like towing the camper. So get rid of these factory bad boys and throw those suckers on. Just a quick little video. I'm not gonna do the install because brakes are kind of common. Not worth me doing the install, but I will say I got this caliper tool here to push the pistons back in with a little ratchet thing. I usually leave the old pads in there and use like a C-clamp, and that's worked for years and years, but I saw this, figured I'd give it a try, and let me tell you, it's pretty awesome. Super easy. Slide that in there, ratchet it, it expands it, pushes the pistons flat evenly, which is nice, because I always ran into, you know, having an issue on the back of the caliper here with a C-clamp of, you know, getting it on straight and stuff like that. Not a necessity, but something very nice. I'll put a link in the description. It's cheap. Something else this little kit came with were caliper hangers. I mean, it's stupid. I use bungee cords and whatever else to just hang it, but it comes in the kit. Very handy, two little S-hook things, and just dangles there nicely out of my way so I can get this sucker off. Power Stop Extreme Severe Duty Truck and Tow Brake Pad Kit. I've had it on another truck, loved how it worked. Easy on, works well, worth the money. Just getting this on right now.